In this video, I will tell you how to connect your Trust Wallet with Hamster Kombat. It is not possible directly, but you can do it using Binance application. So first thing is that you need to connect your Trust Wallet with Binance, and then you will connect your Binance application with the Hamster Kombat. So for that, all you have to do is to go to Binance application and then go to the Web3. Then in Web3, go to the wallet. In the wallet, go to receive section. And in the receive section, search the coin that you will transfer from the Trust wallet. For example, I'm going to use BNB chain. Copy the address that Binance gave you and just copy it. Make sure that you double click it so that you have copied it. Now open up Trust wallet. Go to the send option. You can type in BNB chain, or you can simply click on BNB chain on the main menu and then go and tap on the send button. Enter the address of Binance and the amount you want to transfer. This way you will be connected with the Binance. So that's how you can connect Trust Wallet with Binance. Now open up Hamster Kombat application. Go to the airdrop menu on the bottom right corner. In the airdrop menu, select Binance, and in the Binance, just connect your Binance account. So that's how you can connect the Trust Wallet with Hamster Kombat.